All right, welcome to the vlog. It's 4:20 a.m. Go ahead, kick off this vlog super early today. It is Saturday, June the 23rd, 2018, day 480, vlog number 148. Like I said, starting the day off early. Just broke my fast a little bit around 4 a.m. Had my multivitamins, my apple cider vinegar, electrolyte water mix. I'm about to eat 2 ounces of sunflower seed kernels and an Atkins bar. Caramel double chocolate crunch. Macros for these items I'll throw down here. Fast that I broke, and then eventual intermittent fast window that I eat at. I'm shooting for an 18:6, so I'm hoping to be done eating by 10 a.m. I'm about to go to Denny's and get me some food there, and then I'll eat one more time before I go to work. I go to work 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. Excuse me, not 11 a.m. 1 p.m. Work until 11 p.m. So 1 to 11 p.m. So basically I'll be done eating like 3 hours, 4 hours, something like that, before I go to work. So pretty much kind of what I was shooting for a little bit. But I'm also going to go donate plasma today. They open at 7, so I'll probably be going there directly after I get done eating, give or take. But see you guys whenever I get to Denny's with what I get and all that good stuff. So see you later. Deuces. Alright, it's 4:40 a.m. Just got done ordering here at Denny's. Got me my double bacon, double cheeseburger with mayonnaise, extra avocado, steamed squash and zucchini, 2 over easy eggs, and sour cream with a side salad, ranch, no croutons. Macros for those items I'll throw down here. Of course, fast that I broke earlier and the intermittent fast that I will have eaten in once I'm done eating. This is meal number, I guess, 2. Even though technically it's still, it'll be within the first hour, so kind of like meal 1.5. Still going to eat at least one more time, but mainly just that's going to be a drink. But go ahead, jump off here and talk to you guys whenever I finish my eating later today, probably closer to 10 a.m. Alright, see you. Deuces. Alright, welcome back to the vlog. It's 12:40 p.m. Just got here to the job site. Gotta work tonight 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. 10-hour shift. Went ahead and I had finished my eating for the day around 10 a.m. today. I had a venti Starbucks coffee with 3 pellets of Kerrygold butter, and then some squirts of the sugar-free mocha creamer and heavy whipping cream. But also had 2 scoops of the American Vitality collagen peptide and 4 scoops of the American Metabolics Keto Lift to finish up my eating for the day. Macros for that I'll throw down here. Fast that I originally broke and the eating window. I think it's close to like a 19.5. Technically in the ballpark. I think it's technically a half an hour, like a 19.5, 4.5, but I'll go 19.5, I think. And then end of day macros I'll throw down here. So go ahead, end the vlog for the day. It is Saturday, June 23rd, 2018, day 480, vlog number 148. Another good day ketogenic living. Also, forgot to mention yesterday, I did notice I passed over 100 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you. I'm sure the 80 Keto and his multiple times mentioned me in his videos really helped out. I'll put a link up here for 80 Keto's channel and the Hinton pork rinds and his keto brick review. Both mention me up there. I'll throw them up in the affiliate links up here, but in the description. But please don't forget American Metabolics, 10% off, link in the description, code BFray 10, save 10% off of American Metabolic products. Really help out the channel, save you money on top of it. Really good products that I use myself. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump off here. I gotta be inside to relieve prior shift. So like I said, ending the vlog. Thanks for watching. You be good. I'll try and be good. If you missed yesterday's vlog, you can click or tap over there. See you guys tomorrow. Deuces.